Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another foundation Friday, and if you want to see what foundation I tested today, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about this foundation. Okay, so today we're gonna do the lightweight full coverage Kiss Natural Finish liquid foundation. I couldn't find any information about it online, like on their own site, but we were able to find it at Amazon. I actually got this at my beauty supply store, and I think it was like $5 or $6, something like that. But this shade looks light, but I don't know, there's not much about it. So I'm reading about it on Amazon, but it's a brand, Kiss New York. So it says liquid foundation, lightweight and hydrating formula, natural finish, control shine, covered pores, medium to full coverage, green tea extract, and then is that all the information about it? Yeah, pretty much. So let us go ahead and give her a whirl. I did conceal my face already, so let us see. This shade is KPLF 330 Golden Caramel. Okay, not Ooh. So I'm just gonna blend this in, and this is light, but this was like the darkest, like medium shade, and then everything else is like super like dark or super light. So we'll see. So I don't think it's full coverage, but I think it's like a good medium coverage. So this is the side with foundation, and then this is the side with no foundation. And then let's put a little bit here. Oops, that's it. Nothing crazy on the forehead. This is actually not crazy bad, but while I'm continuing to blend this, I know that my forehead is not blended. I'm just gonna go put my concealer. This is my HudaBeauty concealer. On my nose. Yeah. Oh, I need to massage my neck. Just blend in there. Okay, this is not bad. I think when I put it on, it looks a lot lighter than it looks now. So that is good. I think. Let's use Karab. I haven't used this in a minute. Okay, so this is how everything is laid on this foundation. I think it looks good. I'm gonna go out. I'll be gone for quite a few hours today, so I will give you guys 2 check-ins and my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later. you in my life. guys, so I'm doing my first check-in at the movies. I don't know. So right now I've been wearing this foundation for about 2 hours maybe. So everything still kind of looks fine. My face looks pretty dry or pretty matte because I haven't really been wearing this foundation for a long time. So I'm just gonna keep wearing it for the movies. It's gonna be a long night, maybe. We'll see. Because the movie is gonna be another like 2-3 hours anyway. So yeah. So I just keep wearing it. I like the finish. It's not too crazy. So we'll just keep wearing it and see where it takes us. But yeah. So this is my first check-in. I'll give you guys one more check-in and then my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm doing my second check-in. Just finished eating, so lips are gone. Nothing crazy, just I still think my foundation is still pretty matte. But look at how dirty this is. That's what happens when you wear foundation and neck. But yeah, it's just I feel like these foundations though are getting like not the same foundation or the fair shot that the foundations in the summer get, because the ones in the summer was like hot and they had to survive the heat and whatever. This foundation is actually pretty inexpensive. I did get it at my beauty supply store and I think it was like $5 or $6. Amazon has it for $7, so it's not too crazy. But yeah, this is my last check-in. I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나 봐 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet to me night got me going crazy someone just tell me why.
Hi guys, we're back and time to give my final thoughts on this foundation. So I got my mirror, so I'll have a little stuff going on here. Let's ignore this is all dirty, but I have a little grease like right here. But apart from that, the rest of my face looks really good. Like, and my face still feels pretty matte. Like, if I really wanted to, I could just blot here again, like, so it's not anything crazy, you know. But I like how my face looks. Like, it just looks healthy, like, you know, nothing crazy. Just let me look up my neck, and I still look like I have some foundation on, because I've used some foundations lately and halfway through the night, like, the foundation is gone. And in this foundation, like, I still feel like, you know, like I have a little something going on. Like, I still have, and then my face still feels pretty soft. Like, I like how everything is looking. See, like, I just have my soft, I think my last foundation I wore, like, back before the end of the night, like, all this is like gone, like there's nothing there. but I still look like I have foundation. My face still feels pretty matte. And guys, this foundation was like literally either $6 or $7, so pretty inexpensive. And you literally get that, and full coverage too. You get full coverage, and you get it. I was able to get it at my beauty supply store. I know you can also get it on Amazon. Like, when we were looking for it, there were a couple other places that also sold that foundation. So the shade, I think there was only 16 shades, so that might be a little bit concerning. 16 shades is not a lot of shades, but unfortunately that's how it is with a lot of like drugstore or beauty supply store or foundations that I find on Amazon. There's not like a lot of options. So if you're really dark, or if you're really light, and even if you're just kind of in between, like it's so difficult to find like an actual good match when there's only 16 shades. So Kiss do better. Like, I think, you know, at least 30 shades, 30-40 shades, I think is kind of an okay start. Is it perfect? No, but I think that's okay. So do I recommend this foundation? Yes, 100%. If you get your hands on this foundation, I think you should totally get it. It's a really good foundation, and especially for the price. So that's it, guys, for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.